I love Indian cuisine. Today's recipe is a savory and spicy vindaloo. Let's spice things up. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Using kitchen scissors, cut the chilies into small pieces in a spice grinder. Break up the cinnamon stick and add the spices into the grinder and grind into a fine powder. In a bowl, mix the spices with vinegar, salt, and jaggery or brown sugar. In a 12-inch skillet over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons olive oil and onions. Sauté until they begin to caramelize. In a blender, puree the onions with 3 tablespoons of water. Then, add the puree to the spice mixture. Stir well and set it aside. Add the garlic and ginger to the blender along with 3 tablespoons of water. Make a smooth paste and set aside until it is needed. In the same fry pan used for onions over medium heat, add the remaining oil. When hot, add the dried off meat and cook until it begins to brown on all sides. There will likely be some splatter, so use a splatter screen if necessary. Set the meat aside in a bowl. Allow the pan to cool a bit and add the ginger garlic paste at medium heat. Stir as it browns slightly. Add the coriander and turmeric. Mix well and add the meat back to the pan with its accumulated juices. Add the chopped tomatoes. Now add the vindaloo paste and 1 cup of water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat. Cover and simmer gently for 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. About halfway through, taste and adjust salt as needed. Some years ago, we'd invite some of my husband's employees to the house on weekends. Many of them were Indian. Vindaloo was one of our favorites at those parties. Good memories. To serve, plate it, or bring the pan to your table so folks can serve themselves. This is delicious with some cooked basmati drizzled with ghee and yogurt on the side. Yum! Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my video.